When you were going to say out before.
In the kitchen, yeah. You swept the kitchen, and then I washed the kitchen. If you had swept downstairs, I could put it on. Okay, so thanks for hanging with us while we wash the floors. This isn't our favorite floor in the house. This is actually, it kind of looks like a linoleum pattern from the 60s, but it's actually all separate tiles. So these little straight tiles, you can see there's two of them put there, with little blocks of solid. Kind of looks like a plaid. Interesting, but it doesn't really go with the ceiling. We think this floor is the second floor that they raised up. We're doing some research on that, but I love this ceiling. It has, let me bring it to you from this side, a picture of Hector being dragged by Achilles. Sorry, hold that there. It needs a lot of work because we're missing some of our people's faces. Sorry, I should have did it that way. People's faces around the corner, but this has famous artists, writers around the perimeter. And what I really like is that, even though we're not going to keep this, we'll keep a piece of it. This wallpaper is sort of emulated up here in the background. So he painted paper. I don't know which came first, but I think that's pretty cool. We'll do something a little different. This room is dark otherwise, but and then one other thing, you may have seen me pushing water towards this door. So there is, first of all, those two holes down there, those are for the door locks, latches that go down. But then right there, is a drain that lets me drain it. There's a little tube underneath this balcony. Eventually I will put a little water down there and wash it out, but that's a handy way for us to get the dirty water, the outside, that came inside back outside, so that this floor clean. This floor definitely needs a couple more washes, but I'd be less disgusted if I had to sit on it now than I did before. So thanks for coming and helping me wash the floors today. Helping us. Matt did all the sweeping.